Someone from my community chatted me up and was asking me, Coach, does Jangala still pay? I said, no. Let me go and check if it is still paying. Okay. So when I get to Jangala, I don't really know if it is still paying, but I always tell you that if you play game on this place, okay, look at my bonuses so far. Here is my bonuses so far, okay. And if you play game on this platform, you go live on this platform, you do videos on this platform, my dear, all these things are means of you earning. And once you enter this platform, all you need to do is to do the verification. I have already details all these things for you, okay. Since one of my community member was asking me if Jangala pay. Oh, let's check now, because I place a withdrawal for some times now. I don't know if they have paid me, and I will really want you to help me and also confirm if truly Jangala is paying or it is not paying. Okay, so this is my Jangala account. All right, so I'm going to click here that says withdrawal. Okay, there is a withdrawal I placed for over a week now. Let me see if they are truly paying or they are not paying. Okay, so I now come here and click on this Meta wallet, this place. I've already told you guys how to withdraw your money from Jangala, and I told you while withdrawing your money, try and have USDT, okay, because when you are using a USDT account, they will not charge you for it. Okay, so now I want to know if truly Jangala is paying. So now I come here and I come and see this thing. Okay, I come see this thing and I notice that since 25th of July, Jangala paid me. Okay, Jangala paid me. This is it. Since 25th of July, see it here. This is the date the money was delivered to my account. Okay, so I don't know if I've answered the question or if still want me to answer the question. Did you see the reason why I say you should use USDT? Because the processing fee is 00. Okay, they don't collect processing fee charges from you. That is why I say you should use USDT. Okay, and I don't know if I've answered this question or you still need me to answer this question before you do the right thing. Okay, if you don't know how to go about Jangala, I have already detailed all the videos on how to go about it. All you need to do is to click on the link I'm going to drop at the description of this video. Go about it. Make sure that you verify yourself first, because that is the most important part of it. Then you go ahead and go live and do all the necessary tasks that you need to do. Jangala is still paying. Okay, so this is the balance I have here. All I need to do is I went live this morning and it increased like this. If I have time again in the afternoon, I can go live and it will get up to $10. As you can see, is almost there. Is almost at this $10. Okay, so that is basically all you need to do in this Jangala. You don't have to do much. You don't have to do much. Just go live, interact with people. Okay, ask people where they are from, make friends, look at the earnings of people. This is what people are earning every day here. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing what people are earning here every day? Are you trying to tell me that this app does not pay and all these people are earning this? All these people are earning all these things. Go live on Jangala. That's one pays well. This is not a get rich quick. This is not a Ponzi scheme. This is an app where you will come interact with people, go live. All right, stay on the camera and you'll be getting paid for it. You can as well play games. Okay, look at how much I've made on my games. All right, so and look at all the bonuses that I need. Look at all the bonuses, because all these bonuses will enable me to play game when I am in people's life and all that. Okay, by doing all that, you are getting paid. Okay, Go and watch that video and follow the step-by-step guide, and you will get paid on this platform. This platform is not a get rich quick, guys. I don't want to talk too much, but all I know is that stick on Jangala will pay you. There is also another app that is Taka will also pay you if you follow every step by step guide. I will also drop the video for you. You go about it and follow all the step guide, and I also even give an agency that will help you to navigate Taka very well. Agency that will tell you one or two tips on how to be any more on the Taka. All you need to do there is, when you get there, tell them that you are coming from Smith. Once you tell them that you are coming from Smith, they will give you all the detailed guideline that you need, guys. They will give it to you. Subscribe to this channel because I will be bringing more updates on how to make a legit money online. And if you did not subscribe, how will you be seeing my videos when I upload them? Okay, all you need to do is to subscribe. Ask me question anywhere you are confused. Check the description to see the videos on how to go about Taka and Jangala, and you'll be getting paid for your work, for your task, for everything that you'll be doing on the platform. I've already detailed everything, and thank you for supporting this channel. I really appreciate you all. Thank you, guys.